All right, let's solve this system of equation together. So we are given 2x squared plus xy equals to 1, and we have 3x minus y equals to 4. All right, this one is very simple. Let's name the first equation. So 1, so we have 2x squared plus xy equals 1. Let's call it the first equation. And let's also label the second equation here. 3x minus y equals to 4. Equation 2. Now from here, we can make one of the variable from equation 2 the subject, okay? Then put it in equation 1, okay? So we can do the substitution once we make one of the variable the subject here. So from equation 2, so let's make y the subject. This side will be 3x minus 4 equals y. That will be the third equation. So we want to do substitution, okay? So y, you have y here, so I'll put the value of y here and solve. Okay, so we have 2x squared 2x squared plus, remember we have xy, meanwhile y is 3x minus 4. So x times y, 3x minus 4 equals 1. So we have that information here, okay? All right, so from here, we can solve for x. Simple as that. So 2x squared plus 3x squared, this one times that, and this one times that, minus 4x equals to 1. So we have 5x squared minus 4x, let's bring it in, minus 1 equal to 0. Now, let's solve this quadratic equation. So I'll first of all multiply the constant by the coefficient of x squared. That will be minus 5. And I'll find two numbers. When I multiply them, it will give me minus 5. But when I add, it will give me minus 4 here. So we have minus 5 and 1. So minus 5 times 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. So we have 5x squared minus 5x, okay, plus x minus 1 equal to 0. So we can group them here. So I'll take 5x out. We have x minus 1. So this side will take 1 out. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have 5x plus 1. Then we have x minus 1 equal to 0. So from here, 5x plus 1 equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. Fx plus 1 rather. So from here, 5x the same as minus 1. So over 5, this one will cancel. X is minus 1 over 5. And we have x minus 1. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. X equals to 1. So we have two answers for x. Okay. We have minus 1 over 5 and 1. Okay. So let's use any of the equation to solve for y. So let's can use this one. 3x minus 4 equals to y. 3x, we have 3x minus 4 equals to y. So let's plug in the first answer for y. So for x, when x is minus 1 and 5, this side will be 3. So we have minus 3 and 5 minus 4, okay? Because so we can make this side over 1. And let's go ahead and find the LCM. So this side will be 5. 1, we have minus 3. And we have 1 into 5 as 5. 20, okay? Equals to y. So we have minus 23 on 5 equals to y. So when x is minus 1 on 5, y is minus 23 on 5. Now let's look at the last one when x equals to 1. So that will be 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4 equals to y. Okay, so from here, when I plug in x, that is 1, we have 3 times 1 minus 4 equal to y. So 3 minus 4 equal to y. We have minus 1 equal to y. So when x equals to 1, y is minus 1. As simple as that. So that's that. Now subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. Alright, so don't forget to share, comment, and also like. Alright, thanks for watching.